Hello friends, welcome back. This is the C++ tutorial as you see on your screen. So once I run this program, let me show you how output will be. Once we run it, you see this one. This is an output of this program. Are you able to write it? Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write this partner program by using C++ program, either both of for loop and if statement, right? So keep watching this video until the end, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. So without spending much more time, let us start. Guys, this is our pattern that we want to write by using C++ program. So actually, as I already said, we are going to use for loop and if statement, right? So let us start by using for loop. Let us write int I, which is equal to 1. We are going to count rows from 1 to 5. I must be less than or equal to 5. Then I must be increment, right? So let us open our loop, and inside the loop we are going also to insert another loop for j or column, right? For int j, which is equal to 1 also, and also j must be less than or equal to 5. Then here j must be increment. So once you want to write the pattern program, always we start by these statements. Then we are going to find the condition that will set so that our pattern will be displayed like this. So now, as you see here, let us analyze this pattern program. Here, this is the row 1, column 1, right? Yeah. Here is the row 1, column 2, row 1, column 3, column 4, and column 5. So as you see here, when we take the number that represents row plus number represent column must be less than or equal to 6, right? For example, when we take here, this is row 1, column 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 is less than or equal to 6, right? So now here, what about here? This is row number 1, column 2. Also, the sum of row and column here is 3. 1 plus 2. Then 3 is less than or equal to 6, right? Until for this one. This one is row number 1, column number 5. As you see, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and column 5. So when we take row is represented by 1 and column 5. Once we make addition, we'll get just 6, right? To mean here condition is that I plus j must be less than or equal to 6. For example, when we put here another, why not here is not displayed another star? Is because here we reach it to row number 1, column number 7, and once we make sum will be 7, and 7 is not satisfy our condition that we want to use. So that's why here we are going to use the condition says that I plus j must be less than or equal to 6. Then in that case we will display star, otherwise we will display input, right? So let us write it here. If our I here, I plus j, right, less than or equal to 6, as we have seen, then in this case we will display star, right? Say out star now, and after printing star, let us put space here and then semicolon here, and then else will display just empty. See out empty or space here, just space. And then what we'll do at each row, we will display a end line, right? Because as you see here, this once this internal loop is looping, will start from 1 to 5. Is this one 1 2 3 4 5. Then after this, inside the loop we will end line and start new line, this one. So that's why here after this for loop, inside loop we will display now end line, right? See out end line here, to mean once the interior loop finishes to loop, in that case we will start another line, right? So let us save it and run to check an output. First of all, let us make compilation here to check whether there is some errors or not. Let us see here, there is error int. Here must be j instead of I, right? So let us save it, make a compilation again. Yeah, now you see there is no error. Let us run our program to check an output. Click on run here. Yeah, you see, this is our output, right? Just nothing is complicated here, is just to check condition. If our I plus j less than or equal to 6, in that case we display this pattern program, right? So this is the end of our today's lesson. Please, if this video is helpful for you, don't miss subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video to your colleagues so that also they can learn C++ program in easy and simplified way. So thank you. See you in the next video.